how to connect Wi-Fi without password. So if you want to connect Wi-Fi without password, then what you need to do is simply go for your Wi-Fi section, tap and hold on to that Wi-Fi. And once you open your Wi-Fi, now if you want to connect your Wi-Fi without password, then what you need to do is simply scroll down, and here on the bottom you will have add network, right? So under the add network, on the right side of the add network, you will have a little scan shaped icon. Tap on the scan, and once you open that, here it will take you to the scanning option, right? So you need to simply scan the Wi-Fi QR code. So on the other device, you need to open the QR code, and once you open that, you need to simply scan that. So for example, I have this, and once you've scanned, it will connect to that Wi-Fi. So that's how you connect to Wi-Fi without password. You can simply connect with your QR code and it will be easy and fast. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.